Hey, very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in last video, we learned about the operators, and in operators, we learned arithmetic operator. Now today, we start augmented assignment operators. Everyone know about the assignment operator. For example, when you write down A is equal to this equal sign is your assignment operator 10. So we assign the value 10 to the variable a. For example, if our value is a is equal to 10 and b is equal to a, for example, so now your value is a is equal to 10 and b also is equal to 10. This is the assignment operator. Now augmented assignment operator means when you write down A plus is equal to B. For example, you write down A plus is equal to B. So what is the mean here? A is equal to A plus B. What is the mean of it? A is equal to A plus B. For example, we write down A minus is equal to B. So what is the mean of this? A is equal to, again write down A here and then minus B. So we remove it A with the this operator minus and is equal to. So you write down A is equal to A minus B. In this form A minus is equal to B. So many operators, assignment operators are there. Your x plus is equal to y means your x is equal to x plus y. Value of y added to the value of x and then result assigned to x. Okay. And same like x minus is equal to y, it means x is equal to x minus y. Value of y subtracted from the value of x and then result assigned to x. X multiply is equal to y, so is equal to means x is equal to x multiply y. X divide is equal to y means is equal to x divided by y. And this is your floor division, and floor division, your answer is only the integer value. Your answer is only the integer value. So double equal means your square root. So x is, multiply is equal to y is equal to means x is equal to x square y, and x mod y is equal to y means x mod y. So you write these statement in this way also. For example, you want to write down a is equal to a multiply b. So you also write down this form in, this is also says short term form. So you write down in this way, a multiply is equal to b. Everyone note that this expansion such as x plus is equal to y is same as x is equal to x plus y. Holds only for immutable types such as numerous. For iterable, iterable means sequential, reputational. Mutables such as list, that is not the case. For list, x plus is equal to y is not equal to x is equal to x plus y. We shall explain this in the list chapter also. Clear everyone? So we take one example here. For example, our a value is 5 and b value is 3. Now we want to add a plus b. So you write down a plus is equal to b. So what is the mean of this? A is equal to 5 plus 3 and the answer is 8. Clear? How? A is equal to A plus B. What is the meaning of A plus is equal to B? A is equal to A plus B, and the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 3. So what is the answer of A? Answer is 8. Now Your next operator, these are all your arithmetic operator and your augmented assignment operator. Now your relational operator, second operator name is your relational operator. In relational operator, one relationship between two values, one relationship between the operands also you can say. In term relational operator, relational refer to the relationship that values or operand can have with one another. And always the answer of your relational operator is true and false. Always the answer of your relational operator is true or false. Thus, the relational operator determines the relation among different operands. Python provides six relational operators. How many? Six relational operators for comparing value. For comparing the value, we use the relational operator, and total relational operators are your six operators. Thus also called comparison operator also. For example, less than, greater than, less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, not equal to. These all are your relational operator. Relational operator work with nearly all type of data in Python, such as number data type, string data type, list, tuple, etc. Everywhere, from mostly in every field, you use the relational operator in Python. Relational operator work on following principle. For number one is, for numerical types, the value are compared after removing trailing zero. After removing trailing zero, after decimal point from a floating point number, for example 4 and 4.0 will be treated as equal to after removing uh, trailing zero from 4.0 is it become equal to 4 only. What is the mean of trailing zero? When you write down 7.0, it means only 7. When you write down 4.0, it means only 4. So these type and string, in string, are compared on the basis of lexicon graphical ordering in dictionary. For example, first in dictionary your a letters words are there, then your a word letters are there, as and then b letter words are there, then c letter words are there. In same like that, in string, capital letter are considered lesser than small letters. For example, a is less than a is less than A. Capital A are considered lesser than smaller letters. So, if we have two same character, capital A and small a, so what is the lesser? A is the lesser capital A. Python is not equal to Python P. When you write down capital P and you write down uh, small p and capital P. So these both are not equal to in here in string. When you write down book and books are not equal to. So these all are different words in lexicographical ordering is implemented. Why the corresponding codes or ordinal values ASCII code or Unicode. These ASCII code and Unicode are the computer codes where you write down A in 65 and you write down small a is 97. So both are the different thing when you write down in capital letter or you write down in small letter. You can check for ordinal code of a character yourself using ORD character function. For example, ORD, and then you write down capital A, so it displays the ASCII code or Unicode of your value. Okay, so these all are your different when you write down capital A double PLE, and here also you write down capital A double PLE, so both are the same thing, no difference here. So answer is your true. When you write down, for example, uh, uh, A double PLE equal to apple, yes, true. Both are the same things. For the same reason, you need to be carefully about non-printing character like spaces are real character, and they have a special code, ASCII code 32 assigned to them. If you are comparing two strings that appear same to you, but they might produce a different result if they have some space in the beginning or end of the string. Okay, so after that, two list and similar to tuple. List and tuple, we have already discussed what is the list and what is the tuple. Now, two list and similar to tuple are equal if they have same element in the same order. If list and tuple are equal if they have same element in the same order. And what about the boolean? Boolean true is equivalent to 1. In boolean, 1 means you are true and 0 means you are false. So 1 means numeric 1 and value is 2, and boolean false means 0 numerical 0 for comparison purpose. So relational operator basically used for the comparison operator. So here we learned some point. When you write down a less than b, for example, when you write down a less than b, so a value is 3 and b value is 13. So 3 less than 13. Yes. So its answer is true. When you write down c less than d, so your value c is n and d is g. So what comes first? G come first. So your g is greater than n. No, n is greater than g. So its answer is false. So relational operator work with numbers, work with string also, work with list and tuple also. When you write down f less than h, so what is the value of f? God, good, God. And less than h, what is the h? Here h means your again God, good. So f less than h, no, it's f equal to h. Its answer is, if we write down f is equal to h, so its answer is true. But when it's write down f less than h, no, it's false. So same here, f is equal to h is your true value. C is equal to E. So what is the value of C? Small n. Small n is the C and is equal to E, capital N. So always everyone know about that now. And capital N is smaller than the small n. Capital N is greater than the small n. So here they write capital N is equal to the small n. So its answer is false. G is equal to J. G is equal to J. So G is capital God and J is capital God. Yes, both are the equal. So its answer is true. But don't be confused here. Again, understand one point here. When you write down equal, for example, when you write down equal, it means assignment operator. You assign the value to a variable. For example, you write down a is equal to 10 and then you write down b is equal to 5. But what is the relational operator here? What is the equal operator? When you write down a double equal, so both are the different, single equal and the double equal. When you write down single equal, then it means your assignment operator, and when you write down double equal, it means your comparison operator, equal operator. So here you see a value is 10. What is the meaning of this? A value is 10 is equal to b value is 5. So its answer is false. Its answer is false. When you write down n capital is equal to small n, so its answer is false. Why? Because capital N and small n both are the different things here. Both are the different SKY code numbers. So that's why we write here capital N and small n are not equal. So these are the some examples. You go through it. These all are the example of your relational operator. So we conclude in this form. Uh, your relational operators are six operators are there. One is your less than. Second is your less than equal to. Now understand what do you mean by the less than and what do you mean by the less than is equal to. When you write down, for example, we want to display value of 1 to display the value of 1 to 10. Display the value of 1 to 10. So, for example, we write down display a less than 10. So, it display the value only less than 10 means the last value of this is 9, not 10. Only 9 because less than. But when you write down less than is equal to, then it display the value 1 to 10. Equal to 10. Same like when you write down a greater than 10, so its value starts from the 11. But when you write down a equal to greater than, you write down in this way, or you write down equal to greater than in this way also. So when you write down a greater than is equal to 10, it means your value starts from the 10 here. Okay. And one more we have already discussed, your greater than a equal to b c d 10. So if value is correct, then your answer is true, otherwise your answer is false. So less than equal to, greater than equal to, or not equal to. For example, our value is a is equal to 10. And we want to know a not equal to 10. So its answer is false. But if my value is a is equal to 15 and I would write here a equal exclamation sign, not this symbol is your not operator here, equal to 10. So its value is true. Yes, not equal to 10 because a value is 15 here. So always relational operator answer in the form of true and false. One more important here, while using floating point numbers with relational operator, you should keep in mind that floating point number are approximately presented in memory in binary form up to the allow precision 15 digit precision in case of Python. This approximation may yield unexpected result if you are comparing floating point numbers, especially for equality. And equality means you are double. So everyone aware about the equal sign and double equal sign? What is the difference here? Equal means your assignment operator. When you assign the value, then you write down equal, and when you write down double equal is meant to your equal sign. It means your comparing operator here, double equal. And here when you write down floating point, so approximately presented in memory in binary form up to the allowed precision 15 digit. Numbers such as 1 by 3 etc. cannot be fully represented as binary. It yields 0.333 etc. And to represent it in binary, some approximation is done internally. Okay. For example, 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.3. So its answer is false. Why? Python return false when you compare 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 with 0.3. See, it does not give you zero point 0.3 when you print the result of expression 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 because of floating point approximation, and this is the reason the result is false or equality comparison of this. Why? Because its answer is 0.00, so its answer is 0.30004, so that we write down answer is false. Print 0.3, so it only display the 0.3. Thus you should avoid floating point equality comparison as much as you can. Relational operator with arithmetic operator also. The relational operator have a lower precedence than the arithmetic operator. For example, the relational operator have a lower precedence than the arithmetic operator. You write down a plus 5 greater than c minus 2, or you can say a plus 5 greater than c minus 2, and note the following. You don't write down in this way a plus bracket, then don't write down in this way. You write down simple value or you write down between the bracket. Expression 1 mean the expression 2 and note the expression 3. It means when you write down this expression in this form, yes, it's fine. But when you write down this form in this way, it means you are not false value. Through relational operator are easy to work with, yet while working with them, sometimes you get unexpected result and behavior from your program to avoid. So I would like you to know certain tips regarding relational operator. A very common mistake to use the assignment operator in place of relational operator. You do this error, you write down instead of equal sign your relational operator, comparison operator, you just write down equal sign, so it display the error. Do not confuse testing the operator equal. This equal means your comparison operator, your relational operator, and this is your assignment operator. Clear? Test whether a value is, we have already discussed this point. Test whether a value of 1 is equal to 3. The expression has the value true if the comparison is true, otherwise it is false, but the expression value 1 is equal to 3. Assign 3 to value 1, no comparison take place here. So again understand this point. When you write down z is equal to 3, it means we assign the value 3 to the z. But when you write down z equal to 3, so it means we compare the z value is 3 or not. So its answer always in true and false, and this only assign the value to the variable. Hope everyone clear the relational operator here, and don't be confused with assignment operator and the equal operator. And the relational operators, your 6 relational operators are there. Your less than equal to, greater than equal to, and your equal to, and you are not equal to. Thank you so much for watching this video. In next video we meet with the next topic.